Hello everyone, welcome in the video lecture 5.1. In this lecture we are going to learn about the Python string. In this lecture we are going to learn what is a string, how to create the string, what is indexing in the string, how to slice string, what are the rules of operators in string, and some built-in functions used for the string. Right, so let's start. First of all, what is a string? In normal language we can say कि any set of character, any combination of character like normal character, numeric or special characters which are enclosed into either single quote, double quote or triple quote can be considered as a string, right? So as example you can see on the string, let us understand. If I am writing here directly, I am coming on the if I am writing here str1 as a variable equal to single quote or double quote, my name is Python, so this is a kind of string. Right? So if you print str1, it will display in single quote, but this is string. And if you write str2 equal to some numeric values, if you are writing in string 2 and printing str2, that is also a kind of a string. Now 3, 4, 5, these are the numeric values, numeric characters, but these are also considered as a string. In the same way, if you write str3 equal to mixed values, for example characters, some numbers and special symbols, then all together will be known as string only. It means a string is any combination of characters enclosed into single, double or triple quote. So that is a string. Now next part we have to understand about the string, about the accessing characters in string. Very important point. We can access individual characters of a string by using its indexing value. The index starts at 0. Let us understand what is this index and how it starts in 0. To understand this, I will take the example of Excel because row and columns are given. So whenever we create any string, for example str1 is a kind of a string variable which we have created, and this string is holding value Amit, Sumit. These are the values held by this string altogether, Amit, Sumit. Now the point which we have to understand here, in memory this single character will be occupying a 1 byte space, and those 1 byte of block will be in a sequence, means all these values are stored in a sequential format, right? So if it is in sequence, then this variable, if you are printing, then it will print complete these values. But if you want to access single character from this string, then Python automatically assigns index values like 0 for this block, 1 for this block, 2 for this block. So this is known as the index value, from 0 to less than the size of last character in the string. In the same way, if string is still here, if suppose only we have this Amit, then it will be 0, 1, 2, means always the index value start with the 0 and ends with the less than the length of character, right? And in Python one more feature is available. Indexes also can be used with minus values, right? In Python supports negative indexes also. As you can see, if it is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it is also starting from -10, -9, -8, -7 till the last character -1, right? So now let us see here. If we have for example str1 equal to Amit space Sumit. Now if you access your str bracket sign, this is the bracket sign used with the string variable to get single character from the string using index value. If you just write str1, it will show error. We have to pass index value in this, right? So first of all give the 0, it will display very first character, and in the same time if you write here -10 will display the A, because it is starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So when you want to take negative index, start counting from the back hand side, from right hand side, okay. And if you want to take positive index, then count from 0 from left hand side. So if you are starting from positive, it will be starting from 0, but in negative index it will start from -1 at the end, okay. So this is about the index value. And if you are writing your str1 bracket for example 4, it will display space. str1 bracket 5, it will display s, because s is coming at 5th location, right? Now this is how we access single element. Now next feature of a string is available with slicing, right? We can slice string and we can create some extracted part of a string with and can hold in other variable. We cannot change the value of a string because the string is immutable, but we can slice strings and those sliced part can be stored in other variable. For example, let us understand for example, then we will do on practical. Slicing is achieved with the help of colon sign by square bracket followed by the square bracket. You can see in the example, first is key if my string is containing Python programming as a value, and if you're just writing my string in bracket colon sign only, it will result output complete same value, right? Now if you are writing here left hand side of colon, if you are writing 6 means the starting will be 6th position and there is no end position is given. Left will be the starting position and after colon right side if you write, so that will be the last character indication. Then 6 to till end, so it will go till end. Output is programming because it is starting from 6th character, 6th index value. Now if you are writing my string 1 program, it is coming from first index to all value. In the same way, if you are writing 0 to 6, 0 means starting, 6 means last, so it will display 0 to 5th character, right? So 0 till 5th. 6 is not inclusive. Whatever the last value will be given, that will be the it will print the last less than 1 value. In the same way, if you are going with the negative indexing in slicing, the same thing will be resulted here, okay. So let us do one example using program. Let us take a new file and make it. For example, I am having a string, say city equal to Kolkata, right? And I'm taking sub equal to city. Understand, first of all colon sign for slicing, right? Next let us see one by one. Sub, so if we are printing this only, so it will display everything, means string 2, it will display Kolkata completely. Now if this before colon sign it indicates start position and after colon sign it indicates end position. So if you are writing here 0, then again it will be the same thing, starting from 0, end is not given, it will consider all till the end of character if it is not given. And if you are writing here suppose 2, then what is the location of 2? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2 to L, so it will start from L till last character, right? In the same way, if you are skipping this value, means if you are skipping the first start value but you want to print till only suppose till you here you want to print, so last value this what is the location of this? So 0 1 2 3, so we want to print there, to put 4 because it will display less than the last value. So col k is output, right? Because first is omitted, it means will start from the beginning till less than the last character, which is passed here as a 4. 4 is the index value and less than that index will be printed here. And if you are writing here 1 2 4, so we'll start from O L K, right? In the same way, if you write negative value, for example, if you're writing here minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so if you're writing here minus 7 to minus 7 to 0, nothing is coming. Why? Because 0 is not allowed. If you're giving negative index, then give negative. And also, so minus 7 to minus 2, it is just opposite of positive index. Minus 7 to, if you're writing here minus 2 to minus 7, this is also not correct statement. It will not display because minus 2 will be here and minus 7 is here. So it means we are giving starting value from here and last value from here, which is opposite, so it will not print anything. So that is I give proper value for proper printing. Got it? Now I hope understood. And one thing more we have here, if we put double colon and minus 2, then what will happen? Just a minute. Yes. Now if you write here colon sign 2 times and give your minus 1, then complete string will be printed into reverse order. Okay, complete string will be printed into reverse order. So this is very simple technique. This is very simple programming technique, single line statement. If you want to reverse complete string, then just put double quotes twice and minus 1. So what actually it is happening here? So let us understand one by one. So what happens here? This is the if you are giving here only single colon, and if you are giving here 0, nothing is given here, so it will display everything as it is, right? But if you're giving here one more colon and just giving here, so this will be the step value. You want to print 0 to till the end of string steps, you're giving 1 1, means each character in the string should be printed, right? But if you're giving here 2, then each character in the gap of 2 2, means first character 0, K should be printed, then L, then A, then A. In this way, one character will be skipped in between. So KLL means K, L, A, A. So one character has been skipped in between. So this is skipping of character. In the same way, 3 means 2 character will be skipped, right? So K, first is printed K, then 2 characters skipped, third letter, then again 2 characters skipped, then A. In this way it is printing. So in the same way, if you write here nothing, it means starting till end minus 2. Minus 2 means it will start from back end side, right? So that is why it is going to minus 2, no, minus 1. So that is why it is going to print complete string into reverse order. Next we have operators. Now these are the operators we can use with the string values. First of all, first operator we have plus, which is used for concatenating 2 strings together. We are going to check with the help of example one by one. So right now here we have city and state equal to Delhi, right? And if you are writing here directly print city plus state, then it will be concatenating 2 string together. Then plus operator is used for concatenation in this string, so this keep in mind. Now we have multiplication operator asterisk. This is used for the repetition, right? So whenever we are using this multiplication operator, then first argument should be string and second should be numeric value. For example, if you want to print Kolkata 10 times, then just write here city into 10. So first should be the string, then second should be integer value, numeric value, then it will work, right? Kolkata is being printed 10 times. But what happened if you write here city and city multiplied? It will throw error because multiply cannot happen on a string, right? So this is working as a repetition with string and numeric value, string and integer. Again, city into 20 will be printing 20 times Kolkata, and if you want to give space, you can provide space here only, right? Now next we have this already we have understood. This is known as slash operator. It is used to access the substring of a particular string, and this again we have understood. This is known as the range slash operator. This is a slash operator or a square bracket we can say, and this is range slash operator. In, not in, this is used in membership operator. It returns if a particular substring is present in the specified string, and not in is also membership operator. So let us check how to use in and not in. So for example, we have a line, we are happy to have Amit with us. Suppose this is string and your substring s is a word happy. So we have to check. So we have simple condition here, if, because membership operators will return either true or false, right? Once again you can see it returns if particular substring is present, right? So it returns true if particular substring is present. Just a minute. Hello. Hanji, how are you? If s in line, it means if substring is present into string, then if it is true, then give a message, else not found. So let us check it. So it's found because happy is found. If I am writing here happy 1 which is not present in the string, so not found is coming. What happened? 1 minute. Hello. रेट क्या मिला? रेट सही मिला? हाँ हाँ, तो 150 मिला ना। तो देख लेते पतंजलि की क्या है, एक बार पतंजलि चेक कर लेते हैं। नहीं 150 सो करा था, देख लो 150 तो ले लेना, नहीं तो फिर कोई बात नहीं। चलो और क्या कर लिया? ओके ठीक है, ओके ठीक है। पीनट्स का रेट मिला कितने का? 7 और 14। ओके गार्लिक कितने का मिला? नहीं गार्लिक मत लो, गार्लिक अभी है, चल जाएगा 1 वीक हमारा। हाँ गार्लिक रहने दो, सूख जाएगा। हाँ एक 1 वीक चल जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा हम लाए थे। ठीक है ठीक है, फिर आप आ जाओ। अच्छा आपको लेना है तो वो ले लो, छोटे पैकेट्स वाला जो आपको पसंद था ना, चॉको वाला, वो कॉर्नफ्लेक्स 10-10 रुपये वाले होंगे। तो चलो ठीक है, फिर आप जल्दी से आ जाओ। सॉरी हाँ what happened what happened here, okay, when we try to find substring into string, then it should have exact match. It will search for the happy word in this string completely. If any single character is not matching, it will be showing error, it will be showing negative, means this condition will be false. The membership operator will check whether completely this value is present or not, right? So this is the use of membership operator. And if s not in line, because happy one is not in the line, that is condition is true, so it's found. So because this, according to this not in membership operator, this word is not present in this line, it means condition is true, so that is why this is printing. And if it is found in the line, then it will be giving the negative value, means not found, right? So these are the difference into in and not in membership operator. R is used to specify the raw string. Raw strings are used in the cases where we need to print actual meaning of skips characters, like C, Python, means specifically sometime when we are going to work with the file handling concept, there we will be using this R, because that will be printing the real meaning of escape sequences there. And percent symbol is used to perform string formatting. It makes use of format specifier used in C programming. For example, if you want to specify format in Python, then it is used. Otherwise right now it is not useful, because already Python distinguishes about the formatting of values. If it is numeric, automatically it will be displaying the numeric format. If it is floating values, it will display floating values, right? So in C++, that was not by default formatting format approachable output. In C++, formatting was not given by default, that is why we need to use format specifier. But in this Python, formatting is by default. String formatting is by default in Python, that is why it is not required. Now we have example number 5.1.4. we can see how to repeat and these examples we can see, and after going through each and every example you can understand how each operators are used. Thank you for watching this video. Some more functions are available with the string, which we are going to discuss in the next video.